What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 33 and today's topic will be how to chat with external APIs using Llama Index Agents. So in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to actually extract information from any external API without using any API client. So generally for getting responses from the API, we generally use some sort of API client or maybe some sort of programming language or maybe other mechanism, right? But suppose there is a person who is not a non who is actually from a non-technical background, who only knows like English sentences, right? Um, for example, your company developed an API which is going to give you the information on crypto tokens prices, right? And you have someone who is actually a supervisor who wants to get the information for Bitcoin or Ethereum from that API. So generally he has to use some sort of client, or maybe he should write some programming, then only he will be able to get the response. But now if I say that the requirement is actually he will just write everything in simple English and he will get the response, means English language will be converted into an API call, and then the API will be going to get the response. So you'll be amazed, right? So in this tutorial I'll be going to show you that how to build those sort of system where the programming and logic, everything will be abstracted from the user will only write his question in simple English and the API will get the response correctly. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be going to use API called CoinCap API. I'll be going to use CoinCap API. I'll show you. This is the API I'll be going to use. From here I'll be going to get the details of any crypto, and um, for doing all the intelligent work I'll be going to use OpenAI GPT-4 model. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start working the tutorial. As always, the tutorial link will be available here. And last but not least, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because if you hit the that bell notification icon, all the notification will be going to um, reach out to you on time. Okay, means you will not miss any of our next or future videos. Okay, but last but not least, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe, our subscriber count will not increase, and for my channel growth I need this thing. Because see, the moment you guys will start subscribing to my channel, YouTube also going to promote my video to the large number of audience, and and also it will actually help me to gain some attraction from other like platform as well, and my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience. So guys, please help me to grow, and I'm going to as always I'm going to upload more and more quality content. Okay, so enough of talking, let me minimize this thing and let's start working on the tutorial part. So first thing first, let's set up the LLM. So llama index dot core llama index dot llms, okay, dot openai import, okay, openai, right? Then from llama index dot core, okay, dot tools, import function tool, okay, from llama index dot core dot agent, okay, import function worker agent, and last but not least we'll be going to use import request, because I'll be going to call the external API. So first thing first, let's set up the LLM equals to OpenAI LLM, okay, and the model, okay, model equals to GPT hyphen 4, okay, that's it. Then what will happen, okay, this is fine. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to create a function def get price, okay, and I'll be just going to write a token, okay, token, and then what we'll do, I'll be just going to write token name, okay, will be token dot lower. Okay, basically this API, this CoinCap API actually uh, mm, takes everything in small. Okay, so if you see, this is the API, and I think I'll be going to use this API only. Let's copy this thing. Okay, okay, let's minimize here. Okay, then my URL will be, let's say, this. So okay, so https colon slash slash, okay, like this, and this. Let's minimize this thing. Okay, and then final URL, final and underscore URL will be URL, okay, plus token name. Okay, then what, then response. Okay, response equals to request dot get, then URL, and let's print the response in JSON. Print response dot JSON. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll try to actually run a mock this thing, get price, and inside that I'll be just going to write Bitcoin, and let's see whether I'm able to get the answer or not. It is saying Bitcoin is not defined because it has to be a string, obviously. And here it will be okay. Hmm. Okay, so I call the final URL. It should be final URL. So that is what I thought. Like, why it is giving me all crypto data? Okay, fine. It should give me only small part of the data, right? Yeah. So data, then, so if I just do here, so it should be data, right? Data, and which value I want to looking for? Supply. There is something called price USD. So it is actually 98,000 US dollar. So okay, so let's execute. Yep. Okay, so all done, everything is fine. So now what is actually going to happen, we need to actually uh, price equals to this, okay, and then return price. So this function uh, calculates, this function calls the CoinCap API to get the crypto price and return the price as result. Sorry guys, I have a problem with my keyboard, so sorry for the noise. Okay, so done. So main part is completed. Now what we'll do, I'll be just going to create a price tool, pt. Okay, so this price tool will be going to be created from function tool, then from defaults. Okay, right. So here I'll be just going to write fn equals to get price. Okay, all done. Now what will happen, we'll be going to create an agent worker, agent underscore agent worker is going to be function called agent worker. Okay, dot it will be, let's say, from tools. Okay, okay, so what will be inside the tool, so it should be pt. Okay, then LLM equals to LLM. Okay, okay. Then verbose, verbose equals to true. Okay, right. And the last but not least, so maybe uh, what else? I think allow parallel calls, it will be false. Okay, because I don't have multiple tools, so if you give true, then also it is not going to be problem. Then what we'll do, we'll be just going to create agent. So agent equals to agent worker dot as agent. Okay, done. And then what we'll do, we'll just going to create a variable called response. It is going to be agent dot chat. Okay, agent dot chat is here. Now I'll be going to ask the question. So let me ask the question, what is the price of Bitcoin, maybe. Okay, and after that what will happen, we'll be just going to print the response. If you don't print the response, then also it is fine, because I just made the verbose equals to true, so this is actually going to work. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let me execute this thing. Let's see what is the price of Bitcoin. So see, it is going to ask that function. See this thing here, right? So see, calling the function get price with argument, it is actually calling this function, and this is the response. Okay, right. So let me ask something. What is the price of uh, uh, what is the price of Solana? Let me ask Solana. What is the price of crypto? Price of crypto token Solana. Okay, let me get this response from there. Yeah, it is giving me the correct answer. So maybe let's ask the Cardano value. Okay, Cardano. Cool, right. So yeah, that's it. So now if you see here, I have just created only simplest part of this thing. If you want to know the supply, if you want to know the market capital, you can create multiple function, and that is actually going to do it for you. Okay, right. So hopefully this is uh, this is making sense, right guys? Because I believe soon, or maybe very recent, you guys are going to start working for any company, or maybe for your freelance project, or maybe many of you are going to work for your final year project or something like that. So this sort of things I am showing you, so that you will understand how the llama index thing can bridge the gap between two different data sources, or two different endpoints. For example, here one endpoint is actually your laptop or your computer, another endpoint is actually API endpoint. And this bridge, the gap between these two are bridged by llama index and LLM. So llama index is actually helping here to integrate these two different things, and LLM is or OpenAI LLM is actually going to decide, like okay, so it will understand this thing. After that, it is going to call this thing, right? So but here if you ask something different, like what is the price of let's say Tesla. Maybe Tesla is also a token, I don't know, they created multiple token. Okay, see, it is not, right? So that is the beauty of this LLM. So LLM will understand what to ask, and based on that it will do it. Okay, so hopefully um, that will be the end of this tutorial. But before I conclude, I'd like to say a couple of things, guys. If you're watching this video for the first time, thank you very much for being an member or audience for my channel. So please go to our channel playlist section and search for Langchain playlist, Llama Index playlist. We have recently created a playlist on actually all those playlists are actually in progress. So Llama Index is actually in progress, Langchain is in progress, and recently I created a new tutorial. I'm actually creating new tutorials on OpenCV for computer vision, so that will be also exciting and interesting one. Please check out try to check out those playlists as well. And also have created one playlist on hybrid AGI that is also very much in demand. I just created one video. Please do check out those tutorials. So if you like our channel, please try to subscribe, share our videos with your family and friend. And for this video more specifically, if you like some part of the video, or if this video is helping you, please put some comments, so this will help other people also to get some idea about the video, and also this will be useful for the YouTube algorithm, right? And don't forget to subscribe, guys, because as I told you multiple times, your one subscription will help me a lot, right? So that's it for today. I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you very much.